I'm starting to look at Pena as a head case, as sort of a lunatic. She made this post and she said she wants the winner of Kayla Harrison versus Amanda Nunes. No. How about that? No. How about you win a fight first? Legitimately. This is her record. Just lost to Kayla, but that fight against Raquel was a split decision. Most people believe Pena lost that fight. How you gonna win a title on a split decision, on a gift decision? I think people just wanted to see you fight Kayla Harrison. People in high places. Easier fight for Kayla than Raquel. Most definitely. So she looked bad against Raquel. Just lost to Kayla, and she lost to Nunes. Got beat bad. And before that fight, she beat Nunes. And that's really the only time Pena has looked decent in a long time. In several years. Last time she's looked formidable was against Kat Zingano in 2016. 9 years ago. Stopped by Shevchenko. This was a horrible fight against Nico Montano. She didn't look dominant in that fight. And it's Nico Montano. Then got slept by Jermaine. She was losing to Sarah McMahon, getting ragdolled. And then Sarah had another one of her glitches. She looked bad in that fight too, against Sarah McMahon. Had one of those comebacks after getting ragdolled and got a submission over Sarah. Didn't look good. And then she won the belt from Nunes. That's the only time she's looked good in the past 9 years. She needs to retire. And if she wants to fight, she needs to fight a contender. She should not be given another immediate title shot in her very next fight. I don't think so. Norma Dumont is on like a 6-fight win streak. Or 5. 5. She should get the next title shot. She beat Aldana, Jermaine, Chandler, Rosa, Danielle Wolf. She has the best or the longest win streak of anybody in the top 5. Even Raquel Pennington is more qualified. She should get the winner before Pena. And they made Pena the number 1 contender. She shouldn't be. She should have dropped below Raquel. But hey, go ahead and throw Pena back in there with Nunes or Kayla Harrison. I don't mind seeing Pena get beaten up again, but I do mind seeing her getting all these title shots and being treated like a spoiled little brat that she truly is. She don't want to fight no contenders. She want to fight title fight after title fight. You get paid more money in title fights. She's just trying to be a spoiled little brat. No, go away. Earn your stripes. She's been looking like garbage. Her performance against Kayla, that was garbage. all she threw was like, what, a couple jabs? And even the jabs was garbage. You know, her fight against Nunes, it was exciting, but she still looked horrible. Throwing her left, right, raggedy, garbage boxing. The only thing she offers to us, the viewers, the fans, the paying audience, is tenacity. A willingness to take shots, to land her own, which is the result of her having horrible offense. She pretty much got to take shots to land her own, because it takes so long for her shots to get there. And they're so easy to see. She has to force them on their opponents. She whack, man. She's just a garbage fighter. I mean, when has she even been competitive? She looked horrible against Raquel. After the fight was over, I just knew Raquel was going to get that fight, get that decision. That girl is really on a 3-fight losing streak. Pena is really, realistically, on a 3-fight losing streak after a fluke victory over Nunes. A fluke. You got yourself a little fluke victory. I don't know what happened to Amanda in that fight, but that was a fluke. And you lucky Sarah had a glitch, because she was on her way to winning that fight. That was a very goofy glitch. I believe she dominated the first 2 rounds, ragdolling Juliana Pena's goofy behind. And don't talk about, oh, Pena is a sister. Please don't start with that. I don't know what Pena is. I don't know why you're trying to throw that out there anyways. Girl ain't never claimed to be black or no black. I mean, she's Venezuelan. And she ain't even no black Venezuelan. In fact, she's very white. You see her with her little Jesus t-shirt. She clicked up with Hulk Hogan. Man, please. I'm not about to give her some type of fake camaraderie. Yeah. Getting or fake shout out. Yeah, my sister. Yeah, no. She's annoying. Her style is embarrassing. It's cringe. I mean, just watching her throw that raggedy garbage is painful. Really is painful. I did not like her rise up to the title. You know, you get submitted by Shevchenko, you beat Montano, get slept by Jermaine, you beat Sarah, and then you get a title shot? She should have never got a title shot in the first place. She wasn't even required, like many fighters are, to have a decent win streak before getting a title shot. You got slept just a fight before you beat McMahon, and then you get a title shot? You spoiled little brat. You should have never got a title shot. And she should have never won this fight against the first fight against Nunes. And then start talking all kinds of smack. And then got stomped by Nunes, brutalized over 5 rounds, like she should have in the first fight. Lost to Raquel. Got ran over by Kayla Harrison. Girl, get out of here. Beat it. Look at it. Juliana Pena calls dibs on the winner of Nunes Kayla. No, beat it. Beat it, Pena. You had a fluke rise to get the title shot, and you were a fluke champion. Couldn't even make one title defense. You won the belt against Amanda on a fluke. You won the belt against Raquel on a fluke. Now you talking about getting dibs on the winner. No, beat it. I honestly don't want to see her in any more title fights. Give Norma a shot. Catelyn a shot. Raquel another shot. Maybe Perez can work her way up. Give her a shot. She's on a long win streak. Aileen Perez. But get Juliana Pena out of here. She is the worst fighter in the division, hands down. The worst fighter. She with the worst boxing. The only thing she got is wrestling. And is her wrestling even that great? I suspect she might get mauled by most, if not all, of the fighters at the top of the division. Don't want to see you in any more title fights. Beat it.